Welcome to Level 1. In terms of the what, why, and how of Level 1, let's kick it off with the what we learned together. We will discuss how to code Python using Google's free online platform called Google Colab, which is short for collaboration.
We'll also do our first exercise together. Then, in an optional lecture, we'll discuss who uses Python and what are the pros and cons of using Python. Now, in terms of why are we going to discuss using Google Colab, which is free, to code and learn how to code online? Well, it is free, it is online, so you don't have to set up everything. But everything that you learn in this course, you can apply in any platform later.
Lastly, how? How are we going to learn to code in Python here in Level 1? Well, we'll do our first exercise together using Google Colab to print Hello World. Although we will be using Google Colab to teach Python in this course, you can actually use any Python platform that you want.
Now, in addition to exercise we will do during Level 1, at the end of Level 1, we'll also have a short quiz to help us reinforce what we learned together. Thanks.